Hey guys, this is my 2022 Toyota Supra, and today I'm going to review for you the Magnaflow xMod series catback performance exhaust system. So I've had the exhaust on the car for about 8 months now, and my absolute favorite thing about this exhaust is the sound. The sound is absolutely incredible. Currently I am using the muffler delete, so the car basically is straight piped, as well as the 3.5-inch mid pipes, and I am running a Titan Motorsports Catless downpipe as well. Another cool thing about this exhaust is you're able to keep the sport mode functionality from factory with just to press the button, so you don't have to compromise and always be in sport mode or always be in comfort mode, which is awesome because just by going to comfort mode you can close the valves, quiet down the car quite a bit for when you're driving through residential neighborhoods. So what I'm going to do now is put in some clips of some cold starts. All right, valves open. So there you go, guys. That's a couple of sound clips of what the car sounds like out in the wild. This car sounds good from factory, sounds better than most from the factory, but with this exhaust on it, it just takes it to a completely other level. It sounds incredible. I know a few Supra owners here locally, and while there are a lot of great exhausts out there, this one by far is my favorite. Modular V-band clamps for easy installation, works with the factory setting for the sport mode, turning the valves off and on. Nice exotic and aggressive sounding exhaust with deep pops and bangs. And I also love the look of the carbon fiber tips. It goes really well with the rest of the car, especially since I plan on doing some carbon fiber ads. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully, I was able to add some insight for you, super owners who are making a decision on what exhaust to go with for your car, because we all know that's a huge decision. And if you want to stick around and see more videos of future mods to the Supra or also my Miata, my IS250, and my Tundra, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.